According to the 508 patent specification, and as illustrated in Figure 1, in response to a user-activated telephone call to a pre-programmed telephone number, such as 911, the cellular phone first determines the latitude and longitude of the phone through the use of its built-in GPS engine, and synthesizes the determined coordinates into voice information. The phone then dials the telephone number 911 and transmits to a cell site the voice-synthesized information along with the phone number of the cellular phone. Once the telephone call is received by the cell site, the call is routed by a local telephone exchange to a dispatch center, along with the location and the number of the cellular phone. As the 508 patent specification explains, what is received at the central office dispatch center is a service request, the position of the cellular phone placing the service request, a vehicle identification number if desired, and the cellular phone number of the cellular phone initiating the call. In describing Mr. Tendler's claimed invention to the Federal Communications Commission in a letter dated December 29, 1994, the president of Tendler Cellular characterized that the salient feature of this system is that through detection of position via a GPS receiver, a cellular phone broadcasts the identity of the caller, his telephone number, and his latitude and longitude in English. As further explained by the 508 patent specification, upon receipt of a call, the operator types in the service request, the latitude and longitude, optionally the vehicle identification number, and the cell phone number at a keypad which encodes the service request and the position. As shown in Figure 1 of the 508 patent, the entered position and service request are processed by the CPU of the dispatcher's computer, which then accesses a database that contains information regarding location service providers. Specifically, as detailed by the specification of the 508 patent, because the database contains the locations of various location-based service providers, the locations of the service providers are correlated with the received position of the cellular phone. Once this correlation is performed, the dispatcher's computer selects the closest service provider and either switches the call directly to the closest service provider or calls the closest service provider to deliver the requested location-based service to the location of the cellular phone. As explained in the 508 patent specification, because the cellular phone number or the vehicle identification number, or both, are provided to the central dispatch office, charges for the cellular-based service request may be invoiced to the caller.